Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says on Google Chrome that your connection is not private. I've got a fix for you, so let's get started. First, right click on your Chrome shortcut and click on open file location. Then once you find the location, just go over to the application, right click on it and click on show more options, click on send to, and then click on desktop. After this, you'll notice a second shortcut has been added to the Chrome. Right click on the second one and then open properties, and in the name you have to go at the end of the name and give a space and then type dash ignore dash certificate dash errors. After this, click on apply, OK, restart your PC, and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.